Alright, this is Blue Raccoons on YouTube, and this is a short tutorial for those of you wanting to make a homemade Nerf gun. It's a very easy build. It costs about $10. All the supplies are from Home Depot. That includes half-inch PVC, which is like 94 cents per pole, a coupler just for looks, a half-inch PVC T-joint, and a half-inch ball valve, which is threaded on both sides, and plumber's epoxy. I bought 2 tubes of it from Home Depot. They only had one of each kind, so I just bought those. One's dark gray, the other one's light. And yeah, it's very easy to make. All you do is arrange the PVC parts in just to a simple gun shape like this. And yeah, there's a pump that I got from the Nerf Mag Strike. It was broken, so I just took the pump out. It's perfect for the project. And that's secured down with hot glue and 2 hose clamps that cost 10 cents at Home Depot as well. And from the back of the pump, which is very epoxied up, there's a tube leading to the water bottle, which serves as the air bladder, and that holds all the air in while the gun is being pumped. Also, there's 2 parts right here that I forgot to mention. This piece right here, it's I don't know what it's called, but it holds half-inch PVC, and it's screwed into the back end of the ball valve, and attached to that is like a 3/4 inch female end. I don't know, but something weird. It's easy to find parts. They get an abundance of stuff at Home Depot to choose from, and that happened to just fit the water bottle. Anyways, once the ball valve is closed, you just stuff the dart down the barrel. I'm using just a coat hanger cardboard piece thing like that, and it's closed. You pump it. It pumps 20 times to shoot 40 to 50 feet, but I'm just gonna pump it 10 times. And yeah, I'm gonna turn around and shoot it right there. Yeah, opening the ball valve releases all the air and it shoots the dart out. 10 pumps will get you like 30 feet probably. And to hold the dart in, there is a Recon plunger rod. It was just a broken Nerf Recon, so I took the plunger rod out of it, and I put it in this part of the gun right here. That holds the dart securely so it doesn't go flying out the end of the gun, because half-inch PVC doesn't hold foam darts that well, like this. Without stuffing it down the barrel, it just drops out like that. So yeah, it's a very easy build. It's worth the buy. And here's a range test. Alright, now this is the range test for the homemade Nerf gun. The end down there is at 50 feet. This is at an angle. Alright. Alright, gonna shoot one more dart. Stuff it down the barrel, pump it 20 times. Alright, those both look like they landed at about 40 feet, so. Alright, I saw them land right there, but they rolled up to 47 plus. Easier to do this on grass, but I don't have a 100-foot tape measure, so. Alright, so I'm going to try and actually get it landing at 40 feet this time. So I'm going to be behind this is sitting on a chair, the camera is. So I'm going to be behind it, and hopefully the camera will capture the bullet. Here's one. Alright, here's two. Alright, that was 2 shots. Hopefully the camera captured that.